How to change to landscape mode in Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change to landscape mode in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Canva. And as you can see here, I just choose the IG pose format in which it is not a landscape. So let's say you're gonna put an image on it. Kindly go to uploads and just choose an image that you want to import. So I'm gonna choose this one. After that, just right click on it to set as the image as a background. Click set image as background, in which by doing so, the original picture will become like this. And it seems that it has been cut out, since the image that we use is a landscape format. So let's just detach image from background, and as you can see, that's the original image, and this is the image that has been set as background. So in order to make the format of the Canva into a landscape mode, there are two methods that we can use. The first one is if you are using a premium Canva account, you can just click the resize button on top and customize the width and height. And to make it landscape mode, customize the width into 1500 and for the height as 1000. So after customizing the width and height, all you need to do is to click continue below, and that would result to make our Canva into a landscape mode. And the next method of making a Canva into a landscape mode is from the home page. Since the picture that we use here is in a landscape mode and the format that we're currently using is on the square mode. So in order for this to turn into a landscape mode, all we need to do is to go to our Canva homepage. So this is what it looks like. And in order to choose a landscape format, all we need to do is to click the custom size, in which by doing so, it will lead us in here. And all we need to do is to customize the width and height of the canvas. And the width that is required for landscape mode is 1500, while the height is 1000. So after customizing the width and height, kindly proceed by clicking Create New Design, in which by doing so, it will lead you in here. And as you can see, the canvas that we're using is already on a landscape mode. So to attach the image that we're trying to edit, just go to the next tab and copying the picture or image by clicking right click and select Copy. And after that, just go to the next tab in which our Canva is on the landscape mode. Just paste the picture that we just copied and right click again to set the image as a background. Just click Set Image as Background and it will show you the exact format of the picture is the same as the format in our canvas, in which it contains every detail of the original picture. So that is how to change to landscape mode in Canva. Thank you.